state in the state of Rajasthan. This is the word that we have picked up from our sources. We are learning that a goods train has derailed in Alwar, because of which the traffic was impacted on one line, but the main line to Delhi remains unaffected. We have CNN News 18's Akash Sharma, in fact, joining us on the broadcast. Akash, a very good morning to you. Please walk us through the details that you have received with regards to the train derailment early this morning.
So, Sakshi, this derailment happened at around 2:30 a.m. and this is a goods train that got derailed in Alwar Yard. We have been told that 3 wagons of this train got derailed, because of which traffic was impacted. However, at around 9 a.m. today, it has been derailed. Also, we have been told that traffic from Alwar to Mathura, that is a sideline, is impacted, but no mainline traffic or no mainline train is impacted as of now. No casualties or no injuries. But yes, it was yet another derailment, and several sort of questions will be asked to railways.
Right, Akash. Thank you. All right, Akash. Thank you so much for bringing us all those crucial details. We'll keep coming back to for more developments on this story. We have got a reaction also coming in this story. Let's take a look at that as well.
सर, क्या मामला है पूरा? कब हादसा हुआ? कौन सी ट्रेन कहाँ जा रही थी और कौन सा ट्रैक बाधित हुआ है?
ये एक गुड्स ट्रेन थी जो अलवर गुड्स साइड से निकली थी और अलवर स्टेशन पे इसे रिसीव किया जा रहा था। यहाँ से इसे रेवाड़ी भेजाना जाना था। तो करीब 2:30 बजे के आसपास ये पता चला न्यूज़ कि ये 3 डिब्बे डिरेल हो गए हैं इसके। ये गुड्स ट्रेन थी और रेवाड़ी जाना थी इसको।
सर, अलवर मथुरा रेलवे ट्रैक की क्या स्थिति
है? ये अलवर मथुरा रेल ट्रैक बाधित हुआ था, जिसे अभी रिस्टोर कर लिया जाएगा जल्दी ही। मेन जो रूट है दिल्ली मुंबई वाला, वो बिल्कुल बाधित नहीं हुआ और ना कोई ट्रेन अफेक्ट हुई है।
मुंबई
नहीं, अभी कोई इफेक्ट नहीं हुई है इसमें ट्रेन, अभी नॉर्मल ट्रेन चल रही है। नहीं, एक NI के वर्क भी चल रहे हैं, उसमें कुछ इफेक्ट हुई है, इसके कारण अभी कोई इफेक्ट नहीं।
All right, Akash continues to stay on with us on the broadcast. Akash, please give us more details about this particular line that has been impacted, the traffic that has been impacted. In fact, the word coming in from the authorities, how long will it take them to bring all of the things back to normalcy?
Right. So this is an alternate route to the best of my knowledge, Sakshi. This goes from Alwar to Mathura. And while it is about traffic to Mathura, so traffic to Mathura generally pass through Hazrat Nizamuddin, Palwal and Agra route.
Okay.
But it's an alternate route as well that is impacted. Not many trains go from that route. And to the best of my knowledge, officers are there. They are trying to restore the traffic on that particular track. As far as Alwar is concerned, so station lies in Northwestern Railway Zone, from where we have traffic coming from Gujarat and Mumbai to Delhi. And that main line is not impacted. But yes, this derailment has happened. What are the cause of... what are the conditions under which this derailment has happened, and what is the cause of it? It will be investigated, and we'll get to know as to what is the reason behind it.
Indeed, another day, another train mishap. Akash, thank you so much for walking us through all those crucial details with regards to the story. We'll keep coming back to more updates on that.